When you truly begin to understand what you can do as a video editor, once you understand the how, everything changes for you. Think of cooking. You go from having all these ingredients to being able to combine it into a masterful dish. Well, in this course, we'll dive into taking each ingredient of video editing and teach you how to combine them in order to create a masterpiece short form edit that will be engaging and striking enough to go on and get millions of views. My name's Dylan Reynolds. I'm co-founder at Creative Therapy. I've been working in the industry for 5+ years, and I currently am the editor for some of the leading influencers in the social media space today, like YouTube channel AthleanX with over 13 million subscribers, Tyler Mowry, the master of script writing and storytelling, Gustin Sun, who works alongside Tony Robbins and other big names, and that's just to name a few. Now, a big mistake I see a lot of editing courses make is they only teach you how to do certain effects that are trendy, and you're left still asking, what now? Take it from me, who has spent thousands of dollars in online courses. And while yes, I'll agree there has been more quality courses to be released in the past few months, they still don't cut it. That's why in this course, we made it our goal, not only to teach you how to edit masterful short form videos by teaching you the fundamentals first and then the fancy tricks later, but also to teach you how to turn this skill into a career. We go through my entire process to reaching out to clients and closing clients and everything in between. I even show you how I managed to get in front of a huge YouTuber like AthleanX with over 13 million subscribers. And we don't stop there. We also include a full bonus section, and we decided to give everyone who enrolls lifetime access to this course that will be ever growing. Yes, we will continue to add to this course as we continue to evolve and as the industry continues to evolve as well. Okay, so that was a lot, but that still isn't it. I have also created presets that we typically sell, but when you enroll in this course, you'll get those for free. Now, these presets will exponentially help you speed up your edits. That's guaranteed. So if you want to build a career out of video editing, if you want to work with your favorite YouTubers, if you want to learn how to be able to craft stories that people can get attached to, then join this course. Till then, I'll see you guys inside.